75% लोक RTIचो योग्य वापर करतात. उरिल्ले 25% लोक RTIचो गैरवापर करतात. जाल्यार दर म्हयन्याक 97% प्रकरणांचो निवाडो जाता, अशें केंद्रीय मुखेल म्हायती आयुक्त हिरालाल सामरिया उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
What I have seen in last for almost 4.5 years I have done now in the Information Commission. We feel that there are many RTI activists are there are many other fellows who are just putting the petty applications, and there are many fellows who put even 1,000 applications. In a year they put 1,000 applications. But in spite of that, I say such type of fellows are there, 20 to 30% are there who are misusing this act, or who are finding a job out of it, or they may be means exploiting the officers or the system. But I can say 70 to 75% there are genuine applicants are there. And because of the genuine applicants, when they put the application, and when the applications reaches to us, at least our level, I have seen the department becomes active. They become very active, and they immediately give the information. They take out the file, so the file movement is there. Then they find out why, means what was the problem with this gentleman, why the information was not given, or even his problem means he may be having his personal grievances also. So redressal of grievances is also being done by the RTI Act actually. A person who has not got his let us say promotion, so he can find out what are the reasons. He has not got his TA bill, medical bill, or some any other problem. He has particularly in land revenue records, a person has not got his land revenue records in a proper way, whatever way he wants. So all those issues are being solved by at least this RTI Act. So in that way it helps the individuals very much. And in addition to that, I have seen the officers particularly who are taking decisions. For them it becomes when they take a decision, when they write on the file, they have to think twice. Are they taking decision? Are they doing the things in a proper manner? Are they taking a decision in the interest of the society, in the interest of the government? They have to think, because what happens because of this RTI Act, any individual, he has a right to ask the note sheet of the full file actually. He gets the note sheet of the full file. So a person, every individual, whoever is the officer, whatever be the level, even including the Secretary to Government of India or whatever level, he should know what he is writing, so that he can be questioned in any court or at any forum where he can be questioned actually.